You were just challenged to cook the finest meal you could using the ingredients in this week's mystery box. Your judges Gary, George and Matt watched you as you cooked. Now they'll choose just the 3 most appealing dishes to taste. Only those 3 will be in contention to win this challenge.
I'm happy with my dish, but looking at everyone else's dish, there's competition out there. Everyone's dish looks quite good, so who knows who's going to win this one.
And a reminder to you guys, the winner of today's challenge will get a major advantage in today's main challenge, the invention test.
And you've all made an excellent effort. However, we have to choose 3 of the best dishes, and the first dish we'd like to see belongs to Sam.
As I'm walking up, I'm just thinking, God, of all things to be called up for a dessert.
The dish is a caramelised pineapple crumble with a Bacardi and lime syrup.
Sam, you looked a little bit surprised being called up there.
I'm shocked.
Did you not think your dish was good enough?
No, I think it should taste good.
Crumble's got a lovely toasty texture. Pineapple's well caramelised, it's got a nice sweetness, so it tastes nice, Sam. It's a good rendition of a crumble.
Thank you.
I've got a food confession, Sam.
Yes, George?
You ready for this?
Go.
I'm a ham and pineapple pizza freak.
That's not nice.
I'm excited. It actually all works really well together, and that crumb just sort of, you know, takes it again to another level. So well done.
Thank you, George.
Congratulations, very fine dish.
Thank you, Matt.
Getting the positive comments from all 3 judges is very pleasing.
The second person's dish that we'd like to taste is Poh.
I've had a pretty difficult week and I'm quite sick of feeling so down and confused in the competition. I have to. So it's quite important that they enjoy my food when they go and taste it. So I'm very nervous.
On the left is my version of a kokonda, except I've put pineapple and coriander in it.
OK, tell us what a kokonda is.
Basically fresh fish and mix it with rice and coconut milk.
And what's this one?
That's just like a Malaysian-style dessert, coconut custard with sweet potato.
OK, excellent. That's lovely. It's beautiful. I really like that. And this one, this Malay-style dessert that you've done with the sweet potato and the coconut custard, it's nice and sweet. Yep. You get that lovely creamy richness of the coconut. Well done, Poh. Good job.
Thanks, Gary.
To do something that is both a good restaurant dish, but is also a dish that's evocative of a true peasant dish is a very, very hard thing to do. But what you've managed to do here is create something that's very sophisticated and would actually sit very nicely in a smart Melbourne, Sydney or Adelaide restaurant as an entree.
I'm standing here with the world's best food journalist praising me about the food that I've made. Wow, this is an extraordinary experience.
That's a magical meal. Thank you.
Thanks, Matt.
I nearly cried. Yeah, couldn't believe it was happening to me, really.
And the final dish we'd like to taste is Jenny's.
And I'm extremely happy. I feel very confident. I felt that I deserved to be out there in the front. Pan-seared kingfish, a fritter of coconut and sweet potato, and a lightly scented curry broth.
The curry sauce is lovely. It's sweet and there's a hint of curry and a nice kick of lime in the back there. I'm not sure about the final presentation. It's quite heavy, quite big, quite pubby.
I thought it was great to get comments about my flavours, but I'm surprised about the presentation, and I didn't think it looked heavy myself.
That curry sauce is actually quite nice. It's got real creamy texture. It's good effort. Well done.
Well, the judges have tasted the 3 best dishes and they're now ready to reveal the winner.
It sounds like, based on Poh's ceviche dish, that she is likely to win it. Whatever happens here now, I'm thankful for her standing up in the top 3. It's nice for the confidence.
7 excellent dishes today. 3 top dishes. But there can only be one winner.
My heart was just pounding out of my chest. I wanted so badly for my name to be called out.
So the winner of today's Mystery Box Challenge is Poh.
And it was.
Just when you think you're familiar with the invention test, it all changes. This week, when you walk into the pantry, you'll see 3 pairs of ingredients. The pair of ingredients that you choose, Poh, all the other competitors have to use them as well.
You'll work individually to create from scratch a 2-course meal.
Oh my God. Am I going to be able to produce 2 dishes by myself in that time with core ingredients that we don't know what it's going to be? Yeah, I'm a bit worried.
Poh, in a moment, you will head into the pantry and choose 2 core ingredients. Normally, in an invention test, you get to pick 10 ingredients, but because you're doing 2 courses today, you get to choose an additional 20 ingredients each.
Of course, we're only looking for one winner from the invention test, and that winner earns the right to cook off against one of this country's best chefs. If you win, you earn the right to go straight through to the last week of this MasterChef competition. We will also be looking for the 3 least impressive meals. If you're one of those, you will face the pressure test, and one of you will be going home.
Poh, it's time to head into the pantry.
At this point, I will be picking the most obscure pair of ingredients that I can, but that I can also use well.